You know the American robin by its iconic red chest, right? But did you know that color is way more than just pretty? For male robins, that bright red isn't just a fashion statement, it's a power statement. The brighter and more vibrant the red, the healthier and more dominant the male robin often is. It's a clear signal to rivals. And guess who else notices? Female robins. A bold red chest screams, "I'm strong, I can defend a territory, and I'll be a great dad." The pigment that gives them that gorgeous color comes from their diet, specifically from things like berries. So next time you spot a robin, you're looking at a feathered billboard. Subscribe for more amazing Critter Chronicles.